Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to work on spelling sounds together, and we are going to need some materials for this. So I have here a very old baking pan, and I filled it up with just white rice because that's what I had a lot of extra in my cabinet. You could use a baking sheet or a plate. Something with edges is the smartest. You could fill it with sand or sugar or rice. Or anything that will allow you to have this like sensory experience with your sense of touch, which is important in this activity. If you don't have anything to use, that's okay too. You could just simply use the table in front of you. So when we're writing sounds in our material, you could simply write the sounds on the table next to you. Anything that will give you that sense of touch will work out just fine. So I'm going to give you a minute to get material ready. And you can pause this video until you have what you need, and then we'll get started. Okay, so this is what the activity looks like. I am going to give you a sound, and you are going to repeat the sound, and then you are going to write the letters in your material that spell that sound. So this is what it looks like. If I said ah, you would repeat that sound, ah. And then you would write in your material, A says ah, and you're going to underline it. So you have something that looks like an A. Okay, when you're ready for the next sound, just going to shake it out, and I'm going to give you another one. So I'll give you the sound B. You're going to repeat the sound. B says B. Going to write the sound in your material. You're going to have something that looks like that. B says B. Let's try one more. Let's try the sound I. Repeat the sound after me. I. What letter makes that sound? I says I. You're going to have something like this in your material. Good job. Now sometimes I might give you a letter or a sound that is made up by more than one letter or more than one group of letters. So for example, if I gave you the sound E, there are a few different options that you could use to spell the sound E. So in this case, I'm going to divide my board into 4 parts, and I am going to say E says E, E says E, and EA says E. So I actually have 3 options for spelling the E sound based on what we know so far. Good job. Okay, let's try all together now. So the next sound I'm going to give you is the sound OR. You say it. OR. Good job. Let's spell it. O-R spells OR. Nice work. Let's try the next one. Clear your boards. The next sound is A. Repeat that sound. A. Good job. I'm going to give you a hint. I'm going to tell you that there are 3 options for spelling the sound A that we know right now. Okay, let's go. I'm going to divide my board into 4. And now I know that A says A. I know that A-I says A. And I know that A-Y says A. Okay, let's try the next sound. The next sound that we're going to work with is the sound ILD. ILD. So let's see, how do we spell the sound ILD? I-L-D spells ILD. Good job. Did you get that? Okay, clear your board. All right, let's look for the next sound. The next sound we're working with is the sound E. And I will give you a hint that there are 3 ways to spell the sound E that we know right now. So I'm going to divide my board into 4 quarters, and I'm going to think about all the ways that I know to spell the sound E. Okay, let's see what you got. I know that E says E. E says E. And EA says E. There are 3 ways that we know to spell the sound E. Good job. Clear your board. Okay, let's try the next one. The next sound is R. You say it? R. Good job. How do we spell the sound R? A-R spells R. Good job. Clear your board. Okay, let's try the next sound. The next sound we have is a consonant LE sound. The sound is bull. Bull. B-L-E spells bull. Good job. Shake it out. We have another consonant LE sound. The sound is tull. Tull. You say it? Good job. Let's spell tull. T-L-E spells tull. Good job. Shake off your board. We have one more consonant LE sound that we're going to make here. The sound is goal. Goal. G-L-E says goal. Good job. Shake off your board. We have one last sound to spell. The sound is oi. Oi. I'll give you a hint. I know 2 ways to spell oi. O-I says oi, and O-Y says oi. Good job, friends.